Hello and welcome to Forbes India from the Field. In this episode, we speak to cricketer KL Rahul, a prolific batter, centurion across all formats, and captain of IPL team Punjab Kings. Rahul shares his mantras on leadership with us.
I'm still learning on the go. Was my first year last year captaining a team, so I remember being very nervous and still having some doubts about if I would be able to deliver for the team and if I'll be able to take up the responsibility of not just myself but the entire team. So fortunately or unfortunately for us, the IPL got delayed last year as well. So even more time for me to sit and think. So that's the worst kind of thing for me, where you're sitting and you have a lot of time on your hand to think of, okay, what can I do right, or what if I do that and it goes wrong. So it's quite human. One thing that I always had in my mind was that I would enjoy it no matter what. Captaincy and leadership, being in that role, pulls you out of your comfort zone. You have the responsibility of creating a great environment, keeping everybody healthy, competitive, and in the right frame of mind. It does get quite difficult to create the kind of culture that I would want in an ideal world. We try to make the best of these 2 months. It's important for me. What I've tried to do is to keep environment in the team a lot of fun. As sportsmen or in life, you always, when under pressure, you have two thoughts. It's either the aggressive one, or one side is a cautious approach, thinking, what if I go wrong? So I've always encouraged my team to always take the aggressive approach. And if we fail, we fail as a team. And if we go down, we go down as a team. But what I would like to see from the team and from everybody is to always take that aggressive approach, always trust your gut and your instinct. And I remember when I came into the team, I was quite reserved, quite shy. I wouldn't go up and speak to everybody, but I slowly realized that it's my loss if I'm shy and if I don't interact with the internationals or the other players and learn. And I have a brilliant set of coaches. They're incredible. They're experienced cricketers, ex-cricketers, and they've coached for many years. So they've really helped me in trying to create the best. It's important that I go and consult with somebody like Chris, who's played more than 20-30 years. He's the best T20 player there ever is, and he's so experienced, having played in different countries, different leagues. He's played this competition more than me, the IPL as well. I ask all the players to feel as if they are the captain of the team. I keep saying this every time, and I keep repeating this every time, saying that it is not my team or it is not Anil Kumble's team. It is our team. All of us are equally responsible for what we do here, whether we create history by going on to win the trophy, or even when we go down together. All of us start thinking like captains and trying to help each other out. I always tell them that I'm only the captain in the score sheet and I only go for the toss. That's the only thing that I get to do differently from the other 10 boys. And once the game starts, it's always a combined decision, whatever happens on the field, and we try and do the best that we can for the team. Youngsters like Ravi or youngsters like Prabhsendran, all these guys who are coming into the team thrive and feel like they're welcome, feel like, this is a place where you express yourselves and you enjoy yourselves, and you're not thinking about what if I fail, or you're not thinking about, oh, this is IPL, this is the biggest format. We as an experienced or a core leadership group try to create that space for youngsters where they feel like, this is just another place where you come and enjoy yourself. And when you do well, the rewards are even higher and your confidence goes skyrocketing, and then you can end up achieving things that you never thought you could achieve. When we go into the game and there's so much pressure, you tend to forget the plans you had, because your mind is racing, your heart is racing, and you keep getting different ideas. Yeah, what I encourage players to do is to remember the plans that we had and remember their own personal strengths, and to stick to those strengths in the process of winning, losing, meetings, plannings, and 100 other things. You forget to do the simple things right. We chose this sport because we are good at it, number one, but also we used to have a lot of fun playing this as kids. So it's important that we go out on the field with smiles on our faces and be grateful. The minute anybody says captain, the first name that comes into anybody's mind from our generation, from our era, will be MS Dhoni. We've all played under him. Yes, he's won a lot of tournaments, done amazing things for the country, but I think the biggest achievement that as a captain you can have is have the respect of your teammates, and any of us would take a bullet for him without a second thought. Something that I've learned from him is how humble he's been through ups and downs. How he's put his country ahead of everything else is just unbelievable. Also, having played playing with and under Virat Kohli, he's a different sort of captain. He's very passionate. He has this ability to, he operates at 200. If 100 is the best you possibly can be at, he operates at 200, and he has this unbelievable ability to carry the other 10 guys and pull them from 100 to 200.